Guys, if you're looking for privacy for your bedroom, modern condos come with a glass door like this where you can see through, and you want a privacy for your bedroom. And this bedroom has two closets, his and her. And here we do some magic of MAXXMAR brand. It comes with a 5 years warranty and a good quality measure installed by MAXXMAR. So that's the solution you're working on. Let's see what it goes. Perfect installation. Thank you, Dwayne, again.
Welcome.
Yeah, that's a total privacy, and it's good for people in the bedroom and also for outside. Total privacy and nice with MAXXMAR blinds.
You want to go outside and look in?
Yeah, you can have a look. Yes, I'll do from outside. And yeah, that's like full privacy from outside.